In the 1920s, Surrealist art sent shockwaves through Belgium. The avant-garde views embodied by René Magritte and Paul Delvaux were supported by a unique generation of Belgian intellectuals and industrialists who championed their vision. Oscar Mairlot and his son, also called Oscar, personify this group of friends and enthusiasts who fought to support modern art. Oscar, the father, made his money in coal mining and developed his love of art during business trips to Brussels. Like many Belgian collectors at the time, Oscar was friends with the artists he admired. He became close to Magritte when his wife took painting lessons with the artist. Oscar acquired many works by Magritte, including abstract constructions from the 1920s and a word painting. Magritte also painted Oscar's portrait. As his son later recounted, "My father had strong memories of his military career during the First World War, and yet he was a gentle man, kind, generous and peaceful. Magritte may have caught this in the way he depicted my father holding a paper in one hand and his sword in the other." Paul Delvaux was also a friend. Oscar owned several works by the artist, including a major portrait painted after several posing sessions. Many portraits of family members were also made by Léon de Smet. Edgar Titgat was also a close friend, and the two men met regularly as the Dutch expressionist artist's career took off. A veritable tribute to modern artists in Belgium, Mairlot's collection also includes works by those who inspired them, namely James Ensor and Rick Wouters, alongside international avant-garde artists such as Fernand Léger. Mairlot's enthusiasm for art and his friendship with artists was continued by his son, Oscar, who was one of the most fervent supporters of the painter Jean Mairlot. His collection reflected the taste of a new generation and includes works by Belgian and foreign artists such as BRAM BOGART, Serge Poliakoff, and Sol LeWitt. Like his father, he loved to travel and developed a passion for the East, personified by a major work on paper by Zao Wou-Ki he purchased for the collection. This amazing collection is a wonderful opportunity to acquire works from the collection of a father and son who not only shared a love of art, but also friendships with the creative minds that made the work they so admired.